In front of me is Infinix Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Notifications and Status Bar. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Sort By, and sort your notifications, apps with notifications, by picking one of those options. Sort by time of received notifications, frequency of them, show apps that are allowed to send notifications and apps with notifications already blocked. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use green switches on the right of any apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, what I like to do is tap on any app on the left instead. Manage notifications here to turn them off or switch them on, and also operating all of those other notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!